Have you ever wanted to live in your very own Minecraft houses? Hi, my name is Qianxi.
And I'm Simon.
And this is our demo for MLH Hackverse. For this hackathon, we have created AiRCraft, a Minecraft-inspired AR application where you can build and explore your very own Minecraft house. We made it in a Unity game engine, C# and using Google AR Core. Let's see how it works. The application will automatically detect flat surfaces, and you can place different types of blocks to build. Check out our AiRCraft GitHub repository.